Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows update error, that is 0x800f0905. So if you are receiving this error code whenever you try to update your Windows 10 or 11, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now, if you have Windows 11, click on System and then you will see the Troubleshoot option. Click on Troubleshoot. Now, if you have Windows 10, click on Update and Security and then you will find Troubleshoot. So, click on Troubleshoot. Now, click on Other Troubleshooters or Additional Troubleshooters. Now, in Windows 10, simply click on a Windows Update. Then you will see the option which says Run the Troubleshooter. So, run the Troubleshooter. In Windows 11, here you can see the Run option. Click on Run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 or 11. Now, the next step is to use Windows 10 Update Assistant or Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Now, for Windows 10 users, copy this link. For Windows 11, copy this link. All the links are provided in the video description. First, for Windows 10, here you can see Update Assistant. Click on Update now. Once the download is complete, run the exe file. Click on Yes to allow. Now here you can see Windows 10 Update Assistant. If there is any pending update, it will let you know. Then you will see the install option, install it, and then that should go ahead and fix the error message. In case of Windows 11, here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on Download Now and then run the exe file. Click on Yes to allow. Now over here you can see accept and install. So if there is any pending update, it will give you the install option. Now in case Windows 11 Installation Assistant is not opening, for many users it might not open. In that case, go to the download location. So in File Explorer, go to Downloads and here you should be able to see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Make a right click, then select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says Run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 7 and then click on Apply. Okay, and then make a double click and then you should be able to open Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Then click on Accept and Install and your Windows should be up to date. Now, still you're facing the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy till here. Open Notepad on your computer and then paste all the command in the Notepad and then go to File, then click on Save As, and then you can set it to desktop and name this file as wufix.bat. So it's wufix.bat. Name it and then for save as type, select all files and then you can save it to desktop. Once done, close this. Now go to desktop. Here you can see wufix.bat file. Make a right click, then click on Run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now this will go ahead and stop all the Windows update services first, and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans that will take time. Now once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows update services. Then you can restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 or 11. Now still you are facing the error message. In that case, you can use media creation tool. For this, copy this link. For Windows 10, for Windows 11, copy this link. And here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Then you will see this screen. Click on accept and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now during this process, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install and after the installation, log into your computer and you should not receive the error message. For Windows 11 users, copy this link and here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save this to desktop. Select desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, go to desktop and then here you can see Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Now here you can see setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11. Now over here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will go ahead and check for update. Now this process will take some time. Then click on accept. Again it will check for updates, and again before the installation you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer and your Windows should be up to date, and you should not receive this error code anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.